In this video, we realize that Podpage has a lot of features, but sometimes we forget where a feature is. Well, I want to remind you down here in the bottom left-hand corner, one feature you really want to get to know is the help menu. You can chat with us. You can go to our YouTube channel. We're going to focus on the help desk here in a second, but we also have a Facebook group. You can email us. You can sign up for webinars. You can sign up for a live support call. Or if you're on our elite plan, you can sign up to get podcast coaching. And we also have a podcasting news section. So let's go back and look at our help desk. When I click this, let's say I wanted to do something with the announcement bar. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and type in announcement here, and you'll see, oh, here's a help desk article on this. And if I click on it, it lets me know. I'm like, where is it again? And it's right here, setup design, and then under all pages, you will see it. So if I go to the design menu, and there's the announcement bar. So it comes in really handy many times. If for some reason you're stuck on something, the answer might be just a few clicks away by going to the help menu.